The iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max are expected to land in September 2026. And even though Apple hasn't confirmed a single detail yet, the leaks are already painting a clear theme. Bigger upgrades where people actually care, battery life, charging, and real-world endurance. Because let's be honest, new colors and a refined design are nice. A DSLR-style variable aperture on the main camera sounds exciting. But if the iPhone 18 Pro lineup can finally deliver noticeably longer battery life, especially on the Pro Max, this could be the upgrade that matters most for daily use. So in this script, we're breaking down every major rumor around iPhone. 18 Pro battery capacity, battery life expectations, A20 Pro efficiency, wired charging speed, MagSafe and QI2 wireless charging, and the chances of reverse wireless charging. And as always with leaks, nothing is official, specs can change, and tested internally doesn't always mean shipping in September. With that said, here's what the iPhone 18 Pro battery leaks are saying right now. Let's start with the biggest headline. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to finally break the $5,000 mAh barrier. That would be a huge moment because Apple has historically relied more on software optimization and chip efficiency than simply stuffing massive batteries into iPhones. But 2026 might be the year Apple stops playing conservative, at least with the Pro Max. According to multiple leak claims, the iPhone 18 Pro Max battery could land somewhere between 5,100 mAh and 5,200 mAh. If that happens, it would be the largest battery ever put inside an iPhone. And if you've been waiting for the 2-day iPhone that doesn't require midday charging, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is shaping up to be Apple's best shot yet. Now, what about the regular iPhone 18 Pro? The iPhone 18 Pro battery is rumored to follow the same gradual growth trend we've seen with recent Pro models. Current whispers suggest a battery somewhere around 4,100 mAh to 4,250 mAh. So no, the iPhone 18 Pro may not get the dramatic jump that the Pro Max is rumored to get, but even a modest increase can matter a lot when you combine it with the next big piece of this puzzle. The processor. Because battery life isn't just about battery size, it's also about efficiency, and the iPhone 18 Pro lineup is expected to debut Apple's next-generation A20 Pro chip. The A20 Pro is rumored to be built on an advanced 2nm process, and the early talk suggests it could be around 30% more efficient than previous chips. That number matters for everything you do: scrolling, streaming, camera use, gaming, hotspot, GPS navigation, background tasks, and standby drain overnight. Even if you never look at a benchmark, you feel efficiency in your day. So when you combine two things, bigger battery capacity and a more efficient A20 Pro, the outcome is obvious. iPhone 18 Pro battery life should improve, and the iPhone 18 Pro Max could improve a lot. If the leaks are close to accurate, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could realistically approach 2-day battery life for many users with moderate usage, especially if Apple keeps tuning iOS for endurance the way it usually does. Now here's an important detail. Don't expect a battery. Technology revolution. Some Android brands have been pushing silicon-carbon batteries to increase capacity without increasing size. But current rumors suggest Apple is unlikely to switch to silicon-carbon battery tech for the iPhone 18 Pro lineup. At least not yet. So if these capacity jumps are real, Apple is likely achieving them through internal redesign, space optimization, and possibly small changes in thickness, rather than a brand new battery chemistry. Next up, charging. Apple has always been cautious about charging speeds. While competitors race to 80W, 100W, and beyond, Apple tends to prioritize battery health, heat control, and long-term reliability. But the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max might finally push wired charging higher. The big rumor: iPhone 18 Pro. Wired charging could reach 45W. That would be a noticeable step up, even if Apple still won't be the fastest. It's less about winning a spec war and more about making daily top-ups genuinely faster, especially when you're rushing out the door. For context, current Pro iPhones can already hit close to 40W in real-world testing scenarios, even if Apple doesn't loudly market exact wattage numbers. So moving toward 45W feels like the next logical bump, rather than an unrealistic leap. So how fast could the iPhone 18 Pro charge in real life? If the iPhone 18 Pro lineup supports around 45W wired charging with the right USB-C power adapter, expectations are that you could see around 50% charge in roughly 20 minutes, or potentially a bit less, depending on heat, battery level, and Apple's charging curve. And yes, Apple will almost certainly keep doing what it always does, charging fast early, then slowing down to protect battery health and manage temperature. Now, let's talk wireless charging, because this one is much simpler. Will the iPhone 18 Pro have wireless charging? Yes, very likely. MagSafe has become a signature iPhone feature, and there's no serious reason to believe Apple would drop it on the iPhone 18 Pro or Pro Max. Expect MagSafe support and QI2 compatibility, just like recent models. Right now, the discussion is less about will it have MagSafe, and more about will Apple increase wireless charging speed again. Recent iPhones can hit up to about 25W with newer QI2 standards and compatible hardware, which is decent but still slower than wired charging by a wide margin. For the iPhone 18 Pro lineup, the safe expectation is continued MagSafe plus QI2 support, with a chance, though not a guarantee, of slight speed improvements. Now, the question iPhone fans ask every single year, will the iPhone 18 Pro have reverse wireless charging? This is the feature Android users have had forever, dropping your earbuds or another phone on the back and using your phone as a charger. iPhone users have wanted it for years, especially to charge AirPods on the go. But here's the truth from the current leak landscape. There aren't many strong, reliable reports claiming reverse wireless charging is coming to the iPhone 18 Pro or iPhone 18 Pro Max. Could Apple do it? Technically, yes, especially if the Pro Max really gets a massive battery upgrade. Will Apple do it? Right now, there's not enough solid evidence to bet on it. What's more likely is something we've seen hints of before: wired reverse charging. That means charging accessories through USB-C, useful, but not as seamless or exciting as true reverse wireless charging. Now, what charger will the iPhone 18 Pro use? Apple switched to USB-C starting with iPhone 15, and the iPhone 18 Pro lineup is expected to continue with USB-C across the board. That means your existing USB-C cables should work fine, but for fast charging, you'll need a higher watt USB-C power adapter, because Apple still doesn't include a charger in the box, and that's not expected to change in 2026. If you're already using Apple's higher watt USB-C adapter to fast charge a recent Pro iPhone, chances are you'll be able to use it with the iPhone 18 Pro as well. And if the rumored 45W charging support is real, investing in a capable USB-C PD charger becomes even more important to actually see the speed benefits. And on the wireless side, Apple's QI2 certified MagSafe charger should remain the cleanest plug-and-play option for reliable MagSafe charging. So let's wrap this into a clean, leak-based forecast. What the iPhone 18 Pro battery and charging story looks like right now. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to reach 5,100 to 5,200 mAh, potentially becoming the first iPhone ever to cross $5,000 mAh. The iPhone 18 Pro could land around 4,100 to 4,250 mAh, continuing Apple's steady upward trend. Both models are expected to use the A20 Pro chip on a 2nm process, with major efficiency gains rumored, possibly around 30%. Real-world battery life should improve across the lineup, with the iPhone 18 Pro Max potentially approaching 2-day battery life for many users. Wired charging may increase to around 45W, improving top-up times and making 50% in about 20 minutes a realistic target. MagSafe and QI2 wireless charging are expected to remain, with potential small-speed upgrades. Reverse wireless charging is still a maybe, with no strong leaks confirming it, though wired reverse charging could continue. USB-C is expected to stay, and you'll likely need a fast USB-C power adapter to get the best charging speeds. If these rumors hold, the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max won't just be about cameras and design tweaks. They'll be about something far more valuable. An iPhone you can trust to last longer, charge faster, and keep up with real life without constantly hunting for a charger.